in Guru Network app, right now we have two quests. One is like points generation of DAO NFT collection, and there is like minus 1000 T Gurus, and T Gurus are the points in Guru Network app, which you can earn by like socials, daily quests, sharing invite links, and so on and so forth. And you can also do the same quest, but with real 400 base Guru involved in there. So there are two options here, but everyone loves like exchanging points for the rewards, right? The idea is the same: picking up two mascots you love, agent generation prompt, and then waiting for generation to happen. And what we actually added in here are those statuses. If you guys were missing them, now they're here. So now literally we have AI processor from burning meme generating the art and giving it us back for further minting for the points on base, using Guru as a payment there from the wallet which we have subsidies in, which is quite interesting. And while art is generated, we can actually do another while art is
We
generated
actually
and
have
everything happening to there.
related questions right now.
Can we jump to Rodion presentation right now, where he would show what you can do with those gurus on Guru L3, like DeFi ecosystem. Rodion,
Okay.
are
Oh,
you ready?
okay.
A live demo of like
I'm not
swapping.
ready, but well,
Oh
whatever.
yeah. Oh, okay. Let me check. Maybe art is already generated because swaps are kind of fast. I thought we can show them in the middle, but yeah. Let me switch back to art generated. Hold on. Sorry guys, switching back and forth. Uh, Switching back and forth. Again. Yeah, art is generated. Let's see it. Gurus, whatever. DAO Dreamers. Actually, I like this one. Mint DAO NFT minus 1000 T Gurus, which are points. Basically, we are completing it. Then we have terms that we actually exchanging 1000 points towards the NFT mint. Yes. No approvals needed, no wallet connects, nothing like you guys were fighting with this like 400 Guru quest, because it's all like from points, and now we're waiting for successful NFT mint transaction. Yep. Oh, actually, provide wallet. Yeah, it was for successful transfer transaction of the points. So points were transferred. Now I need to provide wallet where to lend this NFT, and you can put any external wallet of you guys where you want to lend that NFT, and that gives you rights to also vote on Snapshot. And on Snapshot, for example, this initiative which Max was presenting, it would be published when, Max, we planning it?
We're planning to publish it tomorrow.
Okay, cool. And with this NFT, you would be able to participate in this voting, and we doing like boosting in there, so it's another way to get rewards, participate in the voting. And that's why when I see this wallet, it's crucial to put your wallet with which you would be voting in DAO. So then by default, it's basically minted towards your operational wallet, which is within the app. Completing the task, then we have actual mint and a sign of the art, and then we'll see the actual OpenSea collection. So you see, congratulations, link to base scan, Guru DAO NFT number, which number 65. We already have 65 was minted, and OpenSea and DAO Dreamers. And during this mint, we actually used points, and Guru token on base was transferred towards the collection because mint is like 400 Gurus in here. In the same time, NFT is minted, it's in your wallet, you're able to get rewards with it. And yes, that's a new mechanism which exactly described in here. And additionally to this mechanism, one of the community members yesterday suggested that we would have 250 guru on L3 provided to everyone who's minted this NFT as initial balance, which is right now is about what it is.
Yeah, by the way, everyone, have you realized yesterday's pump? It was really great.
Oh,
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. It motivates. It motivates. That's for sure. Yeah. Usually we're not talking
Right
about
now it's
about the
a
prices,
little
but
less than 10
it's like
bucks.
hiding elephant in the room, right?
We have a very related question on this matter.
Yep.
I tried creating more NFT, but it didn't work. I will limit it to only one NFT.
Yes. This Guru DAO, you can exchange your points only to one NFT, which is assigned to your Telegram account, and then you using it inside Guru app to get initial gurus. The same way you would be able to use your season passes, and with season passes it would be different amount. But with season passes like season 1, which we had 2 years ago, let me show you. And this is like Guru DAO collection, AI generated one. Season pass 1, season 1, right? This one, 12,000 members. They would have the same rights, but the actual distribution would be different. And we're introducing it next week after this proposal is done, because we wanted to test DeFi ecosystem and our arbitrage on L3 on small amounts first, and on small liquidity. Then whenever we're sure that everything works and price is basically in there is the same as we have on base, and we have arbitrage boolean correcting it when you guys swap in and so on, then we'll allow season pass 1 owners to get their init balance, and then season 2 owners, and provide them different activities on weekly basis so they could participate in weekly chess distributions.